So as the title implies, I am making purple lemonade. It's actually something that my kids gave the name to this drink that I'm making. It's more so for health reasons, but also a good Kool-Aid replacement. So this video is something that I probably normally wouldn't record, but I went ahead and recorded it anyway because I wanted to try out some new equipment that I had. And I think it worked out well for me. It's just the video overall didn't, because I didn't put out the proper lighting in place for it or anything like that. But I still was like, you know what, I need the video anyway, so why not? Now I do want to give a disclaimer with this recipe. There are no like legitimate measurements for it or anything like this. I truly just make this for my family. The only thing I do watch is the amount of sugar that I put in it. And a lot of times I'll make two separate batches, one with sugar and one without. So also, I have never looked this recipe up. I have never looked this tea blend up, if it is a thing. If I'm butchering like a recipe or something that you guys have saw, that you guys have created, I didn't know about it. So this is truly just something that I started doing because I was running out of one of the tea or the other, and I just turned out to love it. So okay, so remember the video where I said that having a fine mesh strainer or a strainer is one of the most important tools in the kitchen. A mini strainer will work wonders for this, although the Rooibos is a very small grass, and sometimes that grass can flow through the holes in the mesh. So if you don't want that little bit of grass popping up in your drink, I would suggest maybe using a coffee filter. It takes a little longer, but it gets the job done.